So hello again everyone. So this is another video presentation about my example problems but with unit analysis. So this is the example 1. So based on my example number 1, yung formula niya is Q is equals to M Cp delta T. And then meron siya kaninang temperature difference, which is the 18 minus 4 is equals to 14 degrees Celsius. And then yung value dito sa formula na to, which is the Q is equals to 100 kilogram multiplied by 3.23 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. And then the temperature na 14 Kelvin. So, diba kanina, yung sagot natin is 4,520 kilojoule. Bakit nga ba ito naging kilojoule? So, here sa i-compute pa lang, as you can see, meron ditong kilojoule, so cancel yan. I mean, kilogram, so cancel yan. And then, this Kelvin. So, ang matitira is kilojoule. So, ang sagot natin is 4,520 kilojoule. And then, for another temperature difference, which is the delta T is equals to 4 minus multiplied by negative 2 is equals to 6 degrees Celsius. And then, this is the Q1. Ito nga pala ang sagot sa Q1. And then, for Q2, is 100 kilogram and then multiplied by 3.23 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin, and then 6 Kelvin. And then yung sagot natin dito kanina is 1,940 kilojoule, and same lang dito sa nauna, cancel mo lang siya and then cancel din ng Kelvin, and then magiging sagot mo ulit is kilojoule. So, kaya siya naging kilojoule ulit here. And then, for freezing the beef naman, we're going to use the Q is equals to MHF. And then, this is for Q3. So, 100 kilogram multiplied by 233 kilojoule per kilogram. So, since nasa baba ito, ay nasa baba ang kilogram, pwede natin siyang i-cancel. So, yan. Ang natira ulit is kilojoule. So, ang answer natin kanina here is 23,300 kilojoule. So, yan. And then, for cooling frozen beef 2, storage temperature naman, delta T, negative 2 minus negative 18, our answer will be 16 degrees Celsius. And then for Q4, 100 kilogram multiplied by 1.68 kilojoule per kilogram Kelvin. And then, yung answer natin sa temperature, 16 Kelvin. So, yung magiging answer natin dito is 2,690 kilojoule. Kaya din kanina, cancel mo lang. Cancel. And then, cancel ulit to. So, kilojoule ulit ang makukuha natin answer. So, kanina pala hindi ko siya nalagay yung formula for total cooling load. So, our formula for this is Q total is equals to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q4. So, yung suot natin kanina sa Q1 is 4,520. Add mo lang siya sa 1,940 plus 23,300 plus 2,690. So, our answer will be 32,450 kilojoule. Yan. So, this is our answer for example number 1 with unit analysis. So, this is our another explanation for example number 2. So, yung kanina, Q1 is equals to C. Ito yung sa ice. And then, multiplied by delta T. So, kanina, delta T is equal to 0. 0 minus negative 4 multiplied by negative 4. So, our answer for this is 4 degrees Celsius. And then, yung value dito is 1.9387 kilojoule per kilogram degree Celsius. And then, yung answer mo dito na 4 degrees Celsius. So, since ang degree Celsius is nasa baba and ito, pwede mo na siyang i-cancel. So, yung magiging sagot natin for Q1 is 7.8 kilojoule per kilogram. So, this is our answer. And then, for Q2 naman, since yung kanina Q2 natin is, ano naman na siya, given. So, yung nakalagay kanina is 335 kilojoule per kilogram. And then, for Q3 naman, this is the answer for Q2. For Q3 naman, 4.2292 kilojoule per kilogram degree Celsius. And then, before that pala, yung delta T, 7 minus 0 is 7 degrees Celsius. So, ilalagay mo siya dito. So, 7 degrees Celsius. And then, cancel mo na lang ulit siya. Magiging answer natin for this is 29.6 kilojoule per kilogram. Yeah. This is our answer for Q2. Ayan. And then, for heat remove from vegetable, gamitin natin yung kanina, yung Q. Ito na pa ba? Q is equals to MCP, delta T. And then, kanina, yung delta T natin is 29 minus 7 is equals to 22 degrees Celsius. And then, yung value naman dito, which is the 114 kilogram multiplied by 3.35 kilojoule excuse me, kilojoule per kilogram degree Celsius. And then, the answer here in temperature difference, which is the 22 degrees Celsius. So, here, mag-cancel na lang ulit tayo. Tanggalin mo natin yung degree Celsius, and another is the kilogram. So, our answer for this is, our Q is 8,400 in kilojoule. And then, another for Q total naman. Here, Q total is 1.30. Kanina, diba? Kanina meron doon nakalagay na 30%. Yun yung minimin ko dito. So, i-multiply mo lang siya dito sa 8,400. So, our answer will be 10,992 kilojoule. Then, for the mass ice naman. Mass of ice. Here. Mass of ice is equals to 10,992 kilojoule over 372.4 kilojoule per kilogram. So, here, as you can see, pwede mo na lang i-cancel yung kilojoule. So, our answer will be 29.33 kilogram, since kilogram yung natira. And then, so this is the answer, kilogram, 29.33 kilogram of ice per 24 hours. So, this is our answer. So, this is our final example, which is the example 3. So, yung kanina, ano siya, convert milk volume to mass flow rate. So, our formula for this is M is equals to volume over time, then multiplied by density. So, plug lang natin ulit yung value, mga value kanina, which is 4,000 gallon over yung oras kanina, which is 5 hours. And then, multiplied mo lang siya sa 8.6 pound gallon. And then, since dalawa ang gallon here, cancel mo na yan. So, ang matitira is pound per hour. So, yung sagot kanina is 6,880 pound per hour. May answer na tayo agad. And then, for temperature difference naman, delta T let minus is equals to T1 minus T2. Delta T is equals to kanina 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and then minus mo lang siya sa 38 degree Fahrenheit. And then our answer for this is 42 degree Fahrenheit. And then for refrigeration capacity formula naman is Q is equals to MCP delta T. Kita nyo pa ba? And then, plug mo lang ulit yung mga value. So, 6,880 pound per hour multiplied by 0.935 BTU per pound degree Fahrenheit. And then, multiplied ulit siya sa 42 degree Fahrenheit. So, magka-cancel lang siya. Cancel tong LB and then this Fahrenheit. So, our answer will be 270,177.6 BTU per hour, since BTU per hour yung natira here. As you can see here, ito. So, for another, mag-convert na tayo ng tons of refrigeration. So, we all know that 1 TOR, not ton, is equals to 12,000 BTU per hour. So, TOR, this is the formula. TOR is equals to Q, excuse me, Q is equals to, Q over 12,000. So, since yung answer natin sa last, this one, the 270,177.6, ilalagay lang natin siya, 270,177.6. Yan. Kita nyo ba? And then, over siya, ano lang siya, divide by 12,000. So, since lahat parehas naka BTU per hour. So, our answer is, yung TOR is equals to 22.515. Ayan, TOR. This is our final answer. Thank you.